Wooden Ceiling Decor Ideas 2023. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and most captivating wooden ceiling decor ideas for 2023. If you're looking to add warmth, elegance, and a touch of nature to your living spaces, you've come to the right place. Our expertly curated collection of wooden ceiling designs will inspire you to transform your interiors into cozy havens with a modern twist. In this video, we showcase a variety of trend-setting wooden ceiling decor concepts that cater to different aesthetics and preferences. From rustic farmhouse charm to sleek and contemporary designs, our ideas are sure to spark your creativity and help you reimagine your home's ceiling. Stay tuned as we delve into innovative ways to incorporate wooden accents into your ceilings. Discover how natural wood textures can complement various color palettes and furniture styles, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Our step-by-step tutorials and DIY tips will empower you to bring these concepts to life, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just getting started. Wooden ceilings have made a big comeback this year, and for good reason. They offer a versatile canvas for adding lighting fixtures, suspended planters, and other decorative elements that can truly make your space unique. Plus, the organic feel of wood brings a sense of tranquility that's hard to replicate with other materials. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Our goal is to help you elevate your interior design game and make your home a reflection of your personal style. So, whether you're looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or any other area, our wooden ceiling decor ideas for 2023 are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey, and let's make your ceiling stand out with the timeless beauty of wood. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow decor enthusiasts. Now, let's dive into the world of stunning wooden ceiling inspirations.